Hi guys, my name is Julia and this is my cat Mumbles. I know she looks big, she's a bit chunky, but it's okay. So she has this new habit which started about 2 months ago. One day we heard her crying in the middle of the night, then we woke up to this. We don't remember eating or touching the lifesaver that was in the living room, so we immediately knew that it was her last night. And then she started bringing us things every night to our door. One day she brought us a candy cane.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
And another day, a leaf.
Is that a gift?
This day she brought us 7 gifts. It is 9 p.m. and we're already in bed, but she won't stop meowing. And that morning we found a red thing, another red thing, and a blue boat and Monopoly card, and a leaf. One day we finally caught her getting the candy.
Thank you so much. Thank you, baby.
And here it goes again.
Vamos. Thank you.
Every day we wake up and there is always something in our room. She won't stop meowing till we give her attention. She keeps waking us up in the middle of the night, so one day we decided to close the door and this is what happened. She's knocking on the door.
Open the door. Come on.
This is all the things she brought for us this week. 7 lifesavers, 3 Monopoly cards, 2 candy cane, 2 red thingies, 1 pump connector, 6 Monopoly houses, and a plastic bag.
Nice.
Please let me know in the comments what your pet brings you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
And subscribe.